Welcome to bookmycarton.com. Welcome to our website. इसमें सबसे पहले when you go on the website, you can choose the type of product that you want. For example, the regular slotted box, the major box. We have given the pictures so that you can identify कि आपकी क्या requirement है. Like you want a tray or self-adhesive tape or whatever the products that you require. And जिसमें भी product आपको interest है, आप उसको click कर सकते हैं. And once you click, for example, we've clicked regular slotted box. So सबसे पहले we have a picture of the product so that you can identify that you've chosen the right product. The number is there. You can always call on this number in working hours and we are ready to help. Now क्योंकि वो box है तो box की हमारे को सबसे पहले dimension चाहिए होती है. That is length into width into height. अगर वो आपको पता है तो you can see the ready-made sizes जो ऐसे आप scroll करके देख सकते हैं. ये हमारे पास हमेशा ready होते हैं. And in case आपको अपना साइज बनवाना है, there is a customization option. You can call on this number and get your size customized. Now the next thing is, if you do not know how to measure, you can see this diagram or you can see the small video जिसमें इस box को कैसे measure करना है, वो इसका छोटा सा video है. You can go through it. Now we know the size. Now the next thing which we want is box strength. कितना पक्का box चाहिए. So it can be 3 ply, 5 ply, 7 ply. So depending upon कि आपको क्या strength चाहिए, आप वो choose कर सकते हैं. Then next is, do you want a logo on your box? The logo is like logo ऐसे करके यहाँ पर आएगा, लेकिन वो effectively real time में कैसा लगता है, इसके लिए ये छोटा सा video है, so that you can see कि logo कैसा लग रहा है. Now once you've chosen the size of the box, the strength of the box and the logo, now it's like how to order. Ordering is very easy, very simple. Minimum order quantity 2000 से 5000 रुपए, any one size you can order. Then we generally take 3 to 4 days and deliver it. And as far as the delivery charges are concerned, if it's self pickup, आप खुद आके factory से pick कर सकते हैं, तो there are no charges of course. And in case you want, तो हम उसको porter से आपको भेज सकते हैं. Porter पे जो भी charges होते हैं वो online app के ऊपर आ जाते हैं, and then you can pay. Now the amount of the boxes, taken 50% is advance, the balance 50% is at the time of dispatch. And still, if there is any confusion, you can call on this number and order, or you can WhatsApp us on this number and order. And if you want, you can also send an email. So this is how this website is designed. इसमें आप कोई भी product choose कर सकते हैं. Mostly सारे products का order करने का process almost similar है. So thanks a lot, and we have some basic videos on this main homepage, like how to order, which we are already watching. Now the types of boxes, that to give you a general idea कि कितने type के boxes हैं, how to measure, logo samples. Then why choosers, of course, we have 32 years of experience, no hidden charges, we're a nice ISO 9001 company, and the delivery is very fast. Then it's our location. So thanks a lot for watching, and please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.